Star Trek is generally considered to be the most popular and successful science fiction series of all time. The first television series was created in the 1960s and was based on the books of the American science fiction writer Gene Roddenberry. Its popularity grew and grew, and the result was 6 television series with a total of 726 episodes, more than 10 different films, books, and much, much more. All science fiction is based on the mix of science and fantasy, and no other series has really done it better than Star Trek. Long before the technology became commonplace, mobile and handheld phones were being used in Star Trek. Small portable computers, rather like our laptops today, were being carried around by the characters, and speech recognition technology was being used. In many respects, the technology of Star Trek was prophetic, and many things which were thought to be impossible then are now objects we use every day. Some of the technology, however, has still not become reality. Spaceships are still not being sent into space at warp speed, a fictional speed enabling spaceships to travel at around the speed of light. It is argued by some scientists that this will never be possible, as it goes against the laws of physics. Perhaps the most famous technological idea put forward in Star Trek was that of beaming people to different places. Beaming was done in the transporter, a fictional machine which could transport people and things to wherever they wanted to go immediately. In the case of Star Trek, people were usually being beamed to a strange planet or back to the spaceship and out of danger. In fact, the beaming of people to different places has become one of the most famous aspects of Star Trek technology, and the phrase, "Beam me up, Scotty," became a catchphrase for a whole generation of Star Trek fans. Whether we will ever really be able to beam from one place to another is now a question of scientific discussion. A television news station has successfully beamed the image of one of its presenters into the studio via computer and interviewed her as though she were actually present. She was, in fact, thousands of miles away. Of course, this was slightly different from the Star Trek version of beaming. It could, however, still have consequences for transportation in the future. It might mean we will no longer be present at work or in the classroom, but our hologram image will be beamed wherever we want or have to be. Could beaming solve our transportation problems in the future?